Hey there folks, I'm Denny Brown, your friendly neighborhood system engineer from Golden Rule. I'm excited to introduce you to the RA13NZ Endeavor Line Achiever Series AC. This AC unit is designed to provide you with peace of mind, reduce your environmental impact, and offer rugged curb appeal, all while keeping things whisper quiet. First, let's talk about peace of mind. This AC comes with a 10-year conditional parts warranty. That means you're covered for a decade, ensuring your comfort year after year. Now let's discuss its environmental impact. Thanks to its 7mm condenser coil, it reduces refrigerant requirements by up to 15%, making it a greener choice for your home. Not only does it perform well, but it looks good too. The curved louvered panels and the rugged corner posts give it a sturdy, appealing design that complements your home's aesthetics. And let's not forget about quiet operation. The integrated sound dampening features from refrigerant tubing design to the innovative compressor ensure you won't even know it's there. In terms of efficiency, this AC unit boasts an impressive 15.2 SEER rating, which means it'll keep your home comfortable while being energy efficient. This unit is perfect for homeowners who plan on living in their homes for 8 to 10 years or longer. It's a long-term investment in your home's comfort and energy efficiency. You might be wondering about the cost. Well, it can vary, but typically you can expect to invest between $6,000 and $8,000 for a professional installation that ensures optimal performance. So there you have it, the RA13NZ Endeavor Line Achiever Series AC, with installation from Golden Rule. With its peace of mind performance, reduced environmental impact, rugged curb appeal, and quiet operation, it's an excellent choice for homeowners who value comfort and efficiency. If you have any more questions or need assistance with your HVAC needs, remember at Golden Rule, we've got your comfort covered. Visit our website for more information. Stay cool.